video na to.
Hindi daw, hindi.
Alam mo, one thing that I learned about this, ang hirap palang nasa harap ka ng camera. Pero dahil sa love kita, pumayag akong gagawin ko to. I want you to have a special birthday this year.
Yan yung pinag-uusapan namin sa...
Alam mo, I am very honored na nakilala kita at naging kaibigan.
Ayaw ko na.
Gaya ng sinasabi ko lagi, you and the other pastors na nakilala ko during my vacation, you made my vacation very enjoyable. Maraming salamat at tinanggap mo ako bilang isang kaibigan with open arms, without any question. Alam mo, naisip ko nga, sana, because it is your birthday, sana maging national holiday ang birthday mo. Kasi you are a special treasure for me and for us. Dahil sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo para sa amin. I do it without any expectations of anything na. Walang kapalit. Ginagawa mo yun out of love and out of care. Para sa amin. Itatanggap nilang kaibigan. With the love that you have shown to us and to others, we thank you multiply. I wish that you have the happiest birthday and many more to come. So that others have time to appreciate you as much as I do. God bless you, Mel. I pray that the Lord may grant the desires of your heart. Just continue to have faith in Him and believe in Him. May He bless you abundantly in all areas of your life. Health, wealth, love, and family. Happy birthday again, Mel.
Tingnan ko pa si Sarah, ayaw mo din. Akala nga ako si Liliana. Ay, sige rin. Joke lang. Pero, dyan sa kanya, kaya kita. Tanong mo, mamaya pa ang backpack. Mamaya na yung question and answer. Binabasa siya. Ang dapat ipapadala na yan, binasa na lang. Asan na yan? Asan na yan?
Okay, Mel. Today is your birthday. I wish you all the best. Happiness and good luck. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You know.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Oy.
Ako is because of the
Pwede yan!
Question mark.
Wala mo eh!
to you anniversary.
Si Ate Ben yan! Kasi si Ate Ben. Pwede yan! Ano nakakalaw? Tumayo siya sa Ate Ben. There's a birthday mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Celebrate ka ba ng Diyos na maraming blessings and nagpapagiging blessing ko sa mga. Ayan na! It's your birthday! Heart na. Happy birthday! Super birthday ka.